beloved school directress, Miss Sheila de la Cruz, teachers of Christine Montessori, beloved parents, guests, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all. In behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to thank all of you for coming here today to celebrate our memorable event, Graduation Day. This is the day to rejoice and be glad. It's been a great year to us graduates. We've had so much fun as days pass by. Indeed, it is a very special day, not only for me, but also for my co-graduates. We are about to take another step in our lives. Who could imagine with this young age of ours? We have developed our talent in singing, dancing, also playing technique, and most especially academic side of our learnings. At this very moment, I would like to say thank you to my classmates who gave me company and friendship, to my teacher Rhea and all teachers who was there beside us and didn't give up even for a single minute. Thank you, dear teachers, for the patience, guidance, and teaching us the basic foundation we need. To my beloved mom and dad, who's guiding me and extending their support and love and make me feel precious gem at all times. And last but not the least, I would like to say thank you to our dear Lord for giving me wisdom and strength and all the challenges and wonderful one school year round. Thank you so much and God bless us all. Happy graduation!